Time for another awesome photo location video. I am at the confluence of the American and Sacramento River. Can't wait to show you this one. Here we go. All right, guys, like I said, time for another photo location video, continuing to share as many photo locations as I can in the Sacramento area and beyond. Like I said, today I'm at the confluence of the American and Sacramento River, the two major rivers in the Sacramento area that give it the name the River City. Two very different rivers that come together at a point near downtown Sacramento. There is a pretty cool park here that floods most of the time, almost every winter. But it's summer now, early or late spring, early summer, and I'm gonna head out to this park and get some content around here. There's a cool yellow bridge. You can also get some shots of where the rivers come together. I'm gonna throw the drone up in the sky as well. Hopefully get some shots of both rivers kind of coming together, and you know, some shots of downtown, the scenery around here. It's a really green park area. There's also a lot of concerts in this area, boat docks, so it's a pretty cool spot. Cool area to kind of come and just hang out. A lot of people do like swim in the river over here. Like, I would never recommend that to anyone. Don't swim in the American River or the Sacramento River. I know people do it all the time. Like, just being honest, man, it's super dangerous. The water's super fast, super cold, and it's dirty. Like, there's just all kinds of stuff in the river. So don't swim in the river. You heard it from me here first. I know everyone does it, or a bunch of people do it every year. I see it all the time. If you can avoid it, definitely avoid it. Go to like Folsom Lake or something like that. But I'm gonna share some shots from it's called Discovery Park, but I'm gonna share some shots of the area and just kind of give you guys an idea of what it's like. Here we go. I don't know if this is coming through on the video that I'm getting, but I don't know if you can see what's called summer snow here. These cottonwood seeds that are flying all around. It's super bad right now. These are terrible for like allergies. If you have allergies, there's one right there, right in my face. It's all over the ground and stuff too. You can see it. So if you're sensitive to allergies, especially like in your eyes, I know some people say these don't cause allergies, but I swear they do, man. So if you're sensitive to allergies this time of the year, anytime you're around the river, this stuff is absolutely crazy. I usually do have allergies, but I took my medicine today, so I'm not dying. But anytime I see this stuff, I'm like, man, so hard to deal with. But these big, beautiful cottonwood trees are all around this area and all around the river, really. So it just kind of comes with the territory, but just be aware that it's crazy out here, especially this time of the year. right, so now I'm walking up to the Jibboom Street Bridge. It's just kind of this old truss bridge here that goes over the American River. It doesn't really go anywhere. It just kind of gets you to the park here. So it's not a very busy bridge, but really cool. Just kind of old school truss bridge. Pretty simple, but super photogenic, man. That dark green, kind of almost forest green color is really nice. And as a photographer, have a special appreciation for bridges, and this is a good one in the area. So nice one to check out and get some shots of for sure. And that is a wrap for another awesome location video. This is a cool spot, man. It's not like super epic or crazy or anything, but it's a really solid spot to get some great photos. There was some absolutely beautiful views of downtown. It's really green, really lush right now this time of the year. That can obviously change depending on the time of the year that you come here, but some beautiful river views as well. Tons of people fishing. I don't know exactly like why there's a bunch of people out fishing. I did see like some viral videos of people catching like monster stripers, so I think sometimes that drives people out to certain areas. But it's really cool, man. Hopefully I was able to get some drone footage. Hopefully you could see where the two rivers come together, the American and Sacramento. You can see there's like a blue river and a darker brown river. The brown one is the Sacramento River. It's just darker in color because of it's a bigger, longer river. There's more sediment. There's like farms and stuff upstream, other rivers that flow into it. So it just kind of naturally is a darker river. And the American River like comes from just up in the mountains and from like the Tahoe area. Not as long of a river, not as much along its route down here. So it's bluer, kind of fresher water, but cool spot to get some interesting, unique shots. I really wanted to get like a shot with both rivers coming together. You can see the difference in the colors with downtown in the background. So I think I got some good ones, but that'll do it for this one, guys. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more awesome photo locations coming very soon. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.